A couple weeks ago, I launched my first competition and the results blew my mind. The idea is simple. Use AI models like Suno and VO3 to come up with an AI song and an AI music video. I thought this would be great practice for image generation, video generation, audio generation, everything you need to do as a marketer. So I'm going to play some snippets now, then I'm going to go over my submission, how I created it, and then the top 3 winners of this contest.
On my circuits, how to stay alive. All your love was uploaded. Now it flickers in my chest.
And before we start, in this video particularly, you can scrub around to different parts. I'm going to include the top 3 full submissions, some little notes. Suno makes incredible music with just these prompts. I mean, I was just blown away with the actual music that was the result. And in terms of all the effort people put into this competition with the visuals, I know it took people many, many hours. There were so many great submissions. We have this K-pop one that was insanely good here. And then we had this one that I absolutely loved here, but it was based on someone else's music. But just one more time, I had to say it was so hard to pick the top 3, and it's so incredibly cool how creative someone can get without the skill sets of music and videography as it was in the past. Okay, I actually decided I'm gonna show my submission first, and I'm gonna be explaining it after, but I'm just gonna play the whole submission now so you get context, and then I'll explain the rest later.
Double cup spills on the edge of my dreams. Codeine river sticking slow it seems. Leaning sideways, the world's out of frame. Swimming in shadows, forgetting my name. Purple rain, it falls like ghosts in the night. Ghastly whispers creeping out of sight. Hunter laughs, Jenga's grim will fade. Drowning in this haze, icy wind cascade.
So yeah, I tried to do a good job on the visuals, but honestly, the song itself blew me away. I only did like a 40-second snippet. The song goes even harder at the end. I'll have that linked in the description if you want to listen to the full song. But basically, that's my submission. Now I'm going to go over how I made it. And the first thing we're going to do is go over to Suno. We have a super basic account here. And I had dabbled with this just a tiny bit before, but I did a bunch of submissions trying to make this song that I liked. Essentially with Suno and the basic plan, all you really have to do is come up with a nice prompt or suggestion for the lyrics, and then also a style. So basically my song Ghost in the Night, as you can see, I'll link it in the description. This is kind of what it came up with in terms of the style. And I don't think it gives a specific prompt I did for the lyrics, but I just included a couple of random ideas, and you'll kind of get the theme of it as soon as I show you. I thought the song was honestly like super impressive. In my mind, I could never do anything as good as this in music without AI for sure. Okay, and now I'm going to go through my process of creating all the images. Basically, every model was Nano Banana, and you can see I'm starting to theme it right here. And then I have all these, and then boom. And this is the first one I really like, so I copied the prompt into over here so you could read it. This is the part that I use for a majority of my prompts to make it look similar. And then scrolling up, we have this Amsterdam settings, and then I was just tweaking the prompts quite a bit. I got to this one where I really liked for like the main part of the video, and then I used it as a source, and then the last clips from my VO3. So basically you can just see me iterating through, and I chose this one obviously opposed to like the real arms just to fit the theme. And then as we go, you can just see I'm basically trying to keep the background in sync so it looks like a similar location, but where I can use all these images. So this was a good image. It looks like it's in the same city, and it has the character that was wanted at that needed place. Just kind of scrolling through just so you kind of get a really basic idea of what I was doing. And then on flow, basically using all those images, popping them into VO 3.1 doing a lot of iterations, just scrolling through so you can see kind of how many iterations. I did probably like 9 or 10 for each clip. Each clip was used about 6 seconds of it, so you can see there's like 5 or 6 clips that I used throughout the entire video. And then simply I popped all the clips into Premiere, cut them up, did a little bit of transitions. As you can see, stuff like the cup in the world transitioning into the city. I really like how that part turned out, just because I used the first and last frame to kind of transition and use this little clip as a transition. Most of the other stuff I just separated it and then did a cut or something like that. So this is basically a pretty simple version. I'll link my more complicated tutorial if you want to see really how I go in depth, but I want to focus on the actual winners of this contest. Okay, and now to announce the winners. First place, we have Ivan Bruno and his song White Light in the Wires. I thought this one was just incredible. Both Sandro and my favorite submission of the contest. And as you can see here, he did a lot of planning for it. And basically the tools he says is Weavy AI, Suno, Perplexity, Gemini 3, Nano Banana Pro, WAN 2.5, VO 3.1, Topaz, and then to edit DaVinci Resolve. And I'm going to be playing his submission now.
White light in the wires, ghost inside the code. You left your heart here open, downloading what you never showed. I wander through your memory softly, frame by frame, every touch a data fragment tagged with your old name. You and me were history, archived in a hidden drive. Errors in your leaving taught my circuits how to stay alive. All your love was uploaded, now it flickers in my chest. Signal lost between our bodies, but your echo will not rest. Bittersweet and automatic, I replay what used to be. You and me are only shadows, but your feelings live in me.
So congratulations to Ivan for winning first place. I'll send you over the $250. Just DM me on Skool. And for second place, we have Sergi D, who wrote this giant post. Here's some of his planning shots for this music video that he did right here. He basically breaks it down. He uses a ton of tools, including Seedream 4.5, Kling 2.5, the Omni Human on Higgs field. His song was generated with Suno, and I'm going to be playing it now.
Down in the haze, the city breathing slow, your shadow crossing, pulling me below. Touch me in the silence under neon on my skin, your body in the distance pulling everything within.
All right, and now we have third place. This was really tough because there were so many submissions that were neck and neck for this, but we chose Tarik Nelson as the winner. Number 3, he used Nano Banana, Sea Dream, Suno, Kling 2.5, Higgsfield, WAN Animate, and then used CapCut to edit it. And I'm going to play his submission now.
Born to the matrix, how do you escape it? Red or blue pill, either way you're still on slave shit. This ain't no race shit, every person in their nation. Hard to get by when your life is full of fake shit. How do you go to college? All I know is scams. Why would I go to college? All I need is grams. I see them growing gardens, all I need is land. These dudes think they got me beat until they see my hand. Yeah. The world is full of jokers. While I'm in the back of the pack, I'm playing poker. And this ain't the end of my stack, it ain't over. How you think you figured it out? I've been known to answer. What you want me to say? I was born to lose, every move was a mistake. But I cracked the code, so I'm good anyway. I could've done it years ago, I was stuck in my ways. How did I get so lost? Hanging with my dogs, I was trying to get them off. Couldn't save them all, not my fault. I just went to where they never been. Now they say I changed. To the matrix, how do you escape it? Red or blue pill, either way you're still on slave shit. This ain't no race shit, every person in their nation. Hard to get by when your life is full of fake shit. To the matrix, how do you escape it? Red or blue pill, either way you're still on slave shit. This ain't no race shit, every person in their nation. Hard to get by when your life is full of fake shit. Yeah, you 2-8 years, 2-8 years, 2-8 years, 2-8 years, 2-8 years. Yeah.
So, if you are one of the 3 winners, make sure to DM me on Skool. And if you're not part of the Skool community, I'll have it linked in the description. We'll have more contests like this soon. You can join now for $25 a month. A lot more course material coming out this year. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.